What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hold breath in Battlefield 6 whether you're using keyboard or controller. So first of all, let's say you are playing using keyboard, then we just have to firstly aim and then hold shift on your keyboard and then your character will hold its breath and you can see the aim is steady now. But if you are playing using your controller, then firstly aim using the left trigger and then we just have to hold the left stick like this and then you can see the aim is steady, but it will only last for few seconds and then he will release his breath like this. In case you wanna change the button, then firstly we have to pause our game, then go into the options. Under it, if you wanna change the controller settings, then go into controller and then press Y or triangle to edit settings. Then go to infantry/passenger control mapping and now scroll down to the bottom until you reach the weapon section. So this is the weapon section and from here you can see this option of toggle scope/steady scope and choose the button you wanna assign here. In case you are playing using keyboard, then we need to go to mouse and keyboard section from here, then choose infantry passenger keybinds. Scroll down to the bottom until you reach the weapon section and from here you can choose your steady scope button just like this. So this is the process to hold your breath in Battlefield 6. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.